Hi guys, welcome to 5 Minute Kitchen. I'm Isaac, your chef, and today I'm going to introduce my signature Mistletoe Kiss mocktail using T-zone syrups. First, we have our yogurt syrup. It actually has a creamy flavor that makes it perfect for all kinds of beverages and desserts. Next, we've got our fructose syrup. Now, fructose syrup is made from real natural sugars. It is perfect for adding to anything if you want to add a little sweetness without affecting the flavor at all. Last, we've got our bestseller, strawberry popping pearls. These are balls of juice that are contained in a seaweed extract, which means that it is vegan friendly and dairy-free and gluten-free. So let's learn how to make the Mistletoe Kiss mocktail. Rosemary simple syrup. First, you want to measure out a half cup of water and a half cup of fructose syrup. Turn it on medium-high heat. You can see that the sugars are starting to melt into the water. Once they're combined together, remove it from the heat and drop in 2 sprigs of rosemary. Let them steep for 15 minutes. All right, let's make our mocktails. Put some ice in our shaker. We'll add an ounce of our rosemary simple syrup, an ounce of yogurt syrup, 2 limes worth of lime juice. Now that we've got those, we need to shake them up. Fill the glasses all the way with ice. And just add about a quarter of a glass of the syrup. And fill the rest with sparkling wine. Now we add our strawberry popping pearls. And a rosemary sprig to garnish. Here we have it, our beautiful Mistletoe Kiss mocktail. Cheers!